The Zimbabwe Republic Police has confirmed a series of arson attacks targeting vehicles and private properties and business premises in Harare and Goromonzi, escalating political tensions ahead of the highly anticipated 3rd March demonstration announced by exiled military veteran Blessed Gesa. Kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa munao awatona kuti Harare is in chaos ahead of the 3rd March protest on Remero Achiti. Luxury cars linked to key allies of President Mnangagwa, business moguls Kino Chivayo and Kudata Gure were torched later Thursday night at their respective business premises in the capital. In a statement released Friday, ZRP spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Yati confirmed that police had launched an investigation into the coordinated arson attacks. He detailed how the incidents occurred at the various business premises in Avhundutsa, Highlands, Newlands, and Goromonzi during the early hours of Friday, 28 March 2025. In courts, the Zimbabwe Republic Police has received reports of petrol-instigated burning of moving vehicles at business premises in Avhundutsa, Highlands, Newlands, and Goromonzi on 28 March 2025 between 12 midnight and 4 a.m. Yati said. He added that perpetrators who were seen driving the vehicles deliberately set them ablaze before jumping into getaway cars and fleeing at high speed. In course, the suspects quickly jumped onto accompanying vehicles and ran away, Yati noted, emphasizing that investigations were ongoing. The attacks and the looming 3rd March demonstration come amid deepening tension between Mnangagwa and his deputy VP Joenga. Thomas Kwandoyanda kubatira panapa tukona kuti aiwa panguva ino vanhu vachishamisika vari in a deep shock pamusoro pa-events ari kutranspire. Zvinozoratidza kuti aiwa Harare is not the battleground. Tichikuona kuti aiwa ma-attacks vanhu vakutoti yatova hondo iyi vanoona kuti kunongonzi angorivara motobhombewa. Zvitiko zvinoitika munyika yeZimbabwe ari kuona ma-cause against mutungamiri wenyika nezi 2030 agenda ari kuingiriza. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.